This is a campaign that I mentioned that really shows the alignment of sales and marketing. Now, this is a pretty simple campaign. This is a campaign for inviting executives to come to an event that you're having, right? So on this side, you see the time interval. So there are 12 touches with the prospect, right, in the span of time of 1 month. And at the very beginning, this is the owner, right? There are 3 different owners. So there's marketing, there's SDR, sales development representative, and then there is the executive. So they bring the executive in as well. So there are 3 people that have to align with that timeline and make sure that everything is sent at the right time. So what happens is, I don't know if there's no laser on this one. So activity, marketing email goes out, announcement of the event. Postal, so they send a letter, or in this case, they're sending a brochure. It's a dimensional mailer. What that means, it's a mail that it's a box. That's marketing language for you. Instead of a package, dimensional mailer. Send that. It takes 3 to 4 days to arrive. On day 8, they send another marketing email explaining why to attend. People that it goes to, the first one goes to everybody. The second one, so this is where tiering comes in. You tier your accounts, and we'll talk about tiering and how tiers in ABM look like. But the first one goes to everybody. Audience is all. The second one is only decision makers that they've identified. The third one goes to all, but it's segmented. So what that means is why to attend is different for different people. They don't say the same thing to everybody. If you're a CEO, you get a different message than if you're a CFO. Then marketing sends another one. SDR gives a call to invite. If they can reach or if they can't, they send an email with all the information. And we go. And this is another one that you see quite a lot, that executives reach out to executives. This is really big and it has huge impact. So it's not all your salespeople. You bring in executives that the CIO, for example, reaches to another CIO. In fact, there was a campaign that was really cool. They had every single person, the company that was running the marketing campaign, every single person, every single executive, CIO, CMO, CEO, write a letter to the account that they were targeting, explaining why they should attend. So the CMO would write to the CMO, the CEO would write to CEO, and the CTO, and so on and so forth, right? So they would speak each other's language, and you would have at the same level interacting with one another. But executives send personalized invites. So this is from CIO specifically. Another marketing email, general, it goes to everybody. SDR calls stakeholders and decision makers. Another invitation, and that's followed immediately by another email. 2 days later, marketing sends their one before the last. SDR emails, marketing emails, and event live. So the alignment is pretty crucial, and you got to get it right. And if sales and marketing don't play along very well with each other, and in a lot of cases, head of sales doesn't get along with head of marketing, it's really hard to make that coordination happen, because you could easily have a blame game going on.